know it's been a little minute. Just want to give you all a little update on some strawberries. These are planted in the ground. They're still putting on those beautiful red flowers. And they have started to put on little baby berries. Look at that. That's at least 4 baby berries. Another one, 5, 6. One hidden under there, 7. Baby berries everywhere, look. 8. I don't know what's going on there. 9. So these are 2 plants. Even though, as you know, I planted one, it had a runner attached to it, and that baby was this one. So I let the baby grow off the mother for a little while, and I just cut them. So it produced a second plant. And both of these are loaded with strawberries. And then, as you see right by the strawberries right here, I go up, they planted right next to some blueberries, and look, there's blueberries all over this bush. Those are blueberries. 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 This is just 2 blueberry bushes. 1, 2. So these strawberries and blueberries are doing well. And then hopefully, if I go from the strawberries to the blueberries to right here, that's a mulberry. And then right beside that are some sweet potatoes, not sweet potatoes, red potatoes that I planted from slips. And oh yeah, strawberry, blackberry. And look at these peas are coming in though, finally. Peas. These are Asian peas with pink flowers. So they got peas coming in. 1, 2, 3, 4. I got them on a TP trellis, peas. And then right next door, got another trellis. And of course, they got peas on this one too. Now look down here, see a dinosaur kale just chilling. And I got some cucumbers right here. I want to see how they grow. All this over here, I didn't till any of this. These leaves have been here all winter. And underneath them leaves, it's this beautiful black dirt. It kind of looks like this. So I didn't till it, so I'm not sure how far the roots are gonna grow. I'm just experimenting. I didn't till it. But if we go over here, I didn't till any of this either, but see, I got 1 cucumber. That's the cucumber. That's the cucumber. It's another one. That's the cucumber. And then I also planted some beans, a couple muskmelons, and sunflowers. They haven't popped up yet, but that's okay. Don't look like much far away, but when you get in close, start to see it's a lot of things going on. This is a mulberry tree. Mulberry tree. It was flowering, it's not anymore, but I feel like these are some baby mulberries. Let me see. Right here. It's a little blurry, but I feel like those are baby mulberries. Or up here. But I haven't grown them before, but I'm excited to see what they're gonna do. It's an old lemon tree. I planted this a few months back. It ain't been doing much. I'm thinking about moving it because in my mind, it might be too close to this oak tree. And it's stunting its growth. We're gonna see. Additionally, come over here. Fig tree finally puts on some leaves with some tulips in the background, but look at the fig tree coming back to life. Celeste fig. Right next door, brown turkey fig. Look at that brown turkey fig, how it's going. Putting on leaves, looking good. And then right next door, these are raspberries. That's a raspberry. And they all coming from this plant, the mother plant. Now this, I pruned back the raspberries a lot. Like I pruned it back down to the ground. And in the course of like a month or so, this is what happened. It came back. They came back. And not only did they come back, look how thick it is. And it was to the ground. It came back, it's putting out runners everywhere. There go a runner. Look at that, there go a runner, there go runners. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna dig these runners up and I'm gonna replant them in my yard. I'm gonna plant some in the shade so I can experiment and see how they grow in the shade. I'm gonna plant the other ones in the sun. But that's, I see probably 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, at least 5 plants from this one plant. And then today I made a purchase, about $13. Look at, I got a dwarf banana tree. I put it in the ground. Dwarf banana tree. Bananas, people, look at that. Fig tree, raspberry, banana tree. First time growing bananas, and then right next door, I got this Red Haven peach tree. Peaches. Beautiful. So that's really it for my garden. I mean, over here I got some stuff growing. More strawberries. Look at that. Y'all see it. Look at them beautiful flowers. Strawberries everywhere. My kids love strawberries. Over here, they got another strawberry plant. And over here, this little baby putting on a flower. He gonna have some berries for me too. Check my videos. I made an old video about buying mint, from store-bought mint, and cloning it. This was that mother plant I bought from the mint, and I cloned. This is some of the clones. And over there, of course, another strawberry that's loaded with berries. Another strawberry, some cucumbers. They're doing all right. Some more peas. It's in my raised bed now, see, in the raised bed. It don't look like much now, but give it about a month or so and everything come to life. Pepper, cilantro, cucumber from seed, tomato from seed. Some beans are sprouting. Mardi Gras beans, Mardi Gras beans. Look, there go one right here coming up. It's another bean. Mardi Gras bean. Muskmelon finally germinated. So worried about that muskmelon. He came up. Muskmelon, tomato, marigold, of course them peas, cucumber. So over here, there go another tomato, beans, muskmelon, and some beans. So like I said, right now it don't look like much. In a month or so, check back in. I watch it all come to life. These some collard greens. I need to get them in the ground or do something with them. But yeah, thank you for tuning in. Georgia Roots 2-4.